angels, this is Mystic C from Magic Vents Tarot, and this is your most requested May Twin Flames. Yes, friends, what is going to happen in May 2020 with your twin flame partnership, your twin flame love relationship, or soulmate relationship, friends? Here it is now. And please do subscribe, like, and share our channel. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe, friends, and do click the bell icon so you never miss a reading whenever they are posted. I have posted a lot of May readings. Please do check them out. The May career and money, career and love reading, pick a card reading, charms reading, the May singles love reading. There are a lot of readings for May, so do check that out. And don't forget to check out your May love horoscopes readings, sun sign readings also. So friends, these are general readings. They may resonate or they may not, so take whatever resonates and leave the rest behind. Also friends, these are general readings, timeless readings, friends, even though they are for May, but if you come across again, they will resonate and help you out in some way. Also friends, join us on Instagram and TikTok as Magic Vents Tarot. To buy a personal reading, visit our website www.magicventstarot.com. So let's take a deep breath, relax, and the choices today are so gorgeous. Oh my god. Let's take a deep breath, relax, and choose pile 1. This beautiful dragonfly on a sunflower. Look at this. This is gorgeous, isn't it? This beautiful dragonfly. Pile 1. Pile 2. This beautiful Lion King. This reminds me of the Lion King movie. Maybe that's your favorite movie or that movie is important. Pile 3. This beautiful Prince of Autumn, the seahorse. Pile 3 is the seahorse. Relax, friends, and take a deep breath and choose. I don't know why they are slipping out. Choose pile 1. Pile 2, pile 3. I will leave the timestamps, friends, in the comment section below so you can directly skip there and choose your option. You can also choose more than one option, friends, if you feel drawn towards that. If not, go with one choice or whatever you like. For those who choose option number 1, let us see how your twin flame relationship will be in the month of May. This beautiful dragonfly card, it's so gorgeous. Let us see your cards. Wow, the Ace of Pentacles, the Page of Cups, the Empress, wonderful, the Five of Pentacles, the Queen of Cups, lovely, Strength, Archangel Gabriel, 5th chakra, and the Angel of Balance. How interesting that you have a Strength card and the Empress. So these are all major arcanas here. These and you have an Ace of Pentacles also. So I feel, friends, how your twin flame relationship will be in the month of May. I feel if you are a woman this month, you are going to feel very much in your power, and if your lover twin flame is a female, she is going to feel very, very strong in her feminine energy, and she will appear as a queen to you. And if you are a female watching this, even if you are a man watching this, I feel you are going to feel very attracted towards your twin flame. The attraction between you and them is growing. Your twin flame sees you in this Empress energy, whether you are male or female, it doesn't matter. Your twin flame is in the month of May will see you like an empress, like the divine, like the, like you are amazing. There is no one like you. And I think they haven't realized it. For some of you, your twin flame hasn't realized it, that you were the one for them, you are their counterpart, you are the one that completes them. I feel they are going to realize this in the month of May 2020. I also feel some of you could be really struggling in your twin flame relationship. It is like things are not tough. There has been blocking, running, chasing. Your twin flame divine masculine may have been running away from you, or you both have hurt each other. There is a lot of heartache, pain. I do feel like, there is some sort of a suffering that is happening for you in your twin flame relationship. You both miss each other, you both love each other, but there is love and hate going on. I feel like your twin flame could be younger than you, or you are very younger than them. There is an age difference. You could also be from same sex also for some of you. I feel this person is at a distance from you and from a different religion. I feel this person is very, very immature. Your twin flame is very immature, or they had been acting very immaturely, and in the month of May starting, they may still be acting immaturely, and they may still be, like they come and offer you love, but they do not offer you commitment, and that has become a pattern with this person and has caused you a lot of heartache, hurt, pain, heartache. I also feel in the month of May, you may feel like there is another person affecting your twin flame partnership. There is a karmic person, a Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, or you yourself are Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, and your twin flame may feel like you are dating another person because they see you like this Empress, so they may feel scared of losing you, or they may get some trust issues or their fears, and they see that you are very popular, or you may feel your twin flame is very popular in the month of May. All eyes are on them. They may be dating another person, or there is a chance of a third party interference, like a family member interfering this connection. So because of that, some issues may happen, but I feel you got the 1111 strength card, the Messiah lion and the lamb. True strength is displayed through kindness, forgiveness, and compassion. See, that is what you need in a twin flame relationship: kindness, forgiveness, and compassion. You have tremendous personal power and courage. I feel your twin flame. See, again, here is the infinity symbol 1111. Your relationship is extremely strong, and in the month of May, there may be some trust issues or some things that you both need to discuss with your twin flame. But a new start is definitely going to happen. I feel you chose this dragonfly because something needs to change in your twin flame relationship. This is the Five of Cups card. So, someone has lost hope in this connection. It could be you or your twin flame, but there is still potential in this connection and this relationship, and it is still growing. We cannot choose to leave a twin flame relationship or end it, or it never ends. It is always like a river which is flowing. We can't end it, and that's exactly how it is this month for you. um, there will be a chance to talk with your twin flame, or there will be I don't think so it is in telepathic union you are talking, or through telepathy. I feel you are going to message your twin flame, or they are going to message you, or they are going to share some pictures or messages on their social media which are meant for you, or they are kind of messaging you only through that. I feel this person, your twin flame, wants to bring this relationship into balance, number 4 and 8. So maybe your birth number is 4, or your birth date is 4 or 8, or there is 18, 17, all these 3, 31, all these numbers. I feel this will be an emotional month for you and your twin flame connection, but there is a chance of a very strong new start happening for you. If you don't know your twin flame and has been disappointed, friends, don't worry. There is this person, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, or a double Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, like their sun sign, moon sign, rising sign is also in Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. That person is coming towards you, and communications are going to happen. Archangel Gabriel, someone needs to heal their throat chakra, and this connection is growing, and the disappointments will be healed in the month of May, friends. Positive communication is going to come for your twin flame and you. And I feel someone wants to have a child with you, or if you are a man, you want to have children or marriage with your twin flame, and it may happen. There is a chance of that happening, so don't worry about it. For pile number one, twin flames, any messages, angels? Let us see messages. See, accept me back. Yes, your twin flame wants to come back. This connection is rooted in the heart. Someone may have closed their heart, but they need to open it. J is important, like Johnny, Jasper, or anything. Past life, you both, some issue that might be affecting your, if there is a third party, it is because of a past life situation, friends. Talk, tall, lean, and loving. So if you don't know your twin flame, they are tall, lean, and loving, and you could meet them this month. Call me, definitely. I feel your twin flame wants you to call them, make up. Yeah, this person definitely wants to make out with you and make up with you. Will you ever forgive me? This person, you both want each other's forgiveness. June is also important. Maybe your twin flame's name is June, or the song about June is important. I am also getting that. Propose. Yes, someone wants to propose you. I told you this is not just a telepathic offer or a communication. This is something solid they want. If you are a man, you want to marry your twin flame, and that is how you will feel in the month of May. This person is they see your twin flame sees you as a leader. The people who are watching this, optimist. I feel you have lost hope on your twin flame connection, but you should be optimistic. Asia, maybe you are in Asia, friends, or your twin flame is in Asia, or you both are in Asia. Career, I feel you have started to focus on your career and you are not worried about your twin flame connection or love or soulmate relationships. But I feel you should stay optimistic and do not stop yourself, because there is a chance of a proposal coming your way this month in the May 2020. That's it for now, friends. Please do subscribe, like, and share our channel. If this reading resonated with you, let me know in the comment section, friends. Please let me know. I really enjoy listening to your messages and your comments. So yes, let me know. To buy a personal reading, visit our website www.magicventstarot.com. For those who chose option number 2, this beautiful King of Lion King. Look at this, so amazing. Do you see how beautiful this king is? Have you seen that movie, The Lion King? Maybe that's important for you or your twin flame, or it is their favorite movie, something like that. So your cards are Nine of Pentacles, the Knight of Wands, the Temperance. Wonderful. The Queen of Winter. Wow, see, there is lion, there is leopard now. Very, very strong energy. The leopards are also very wise, experienced, self-sufficient, brilliant. Oh my God, and look at the crown on their head, and look at the crown on this lion's head. Oh my God, you are both kings. This is king and a queen, a couple right here. Wonderful. The King of Pentacles, again a king is here. Justice. Ooh, Archangel Chakra, Archangel Samuel, third chakra. Sorry, friends. That was a mumble jumble. The Thinking Man, number 4 and 6. Ooh, lovely, lovely. This is lovely. I feel your twin flame, friends, could be an Aquarius, Libra, Gemini, or an Aries, Leo, Sagittarius person. Or they could be a Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, or you both are the same sun signs like Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, Aquarius, Libra, Gemini. I feel like, I feel your twin flame has been focusing, on themselves, on their career, on ego, on pride, on everything else except you. And this has been this has become a pattern for them. I feel like your divine masculine, whether she's a male or a female, your twin flame has been in this energy of focusing on their career, on their ego, their pride, their money, their coin, but they have been ignoring you in the same time. They have not been thinking about you. But you are also a king or a queen, so you were not crying for your twin flame. Instead, my dear darlings, in the month of May, you are going to focus on your coin, on yourself, on your career. You both are in very strong energies, the king and a queen's energy, and you have become equals now in some way with your twin flame. I don't know what is going on. It is like you both have been separated since a long time. Like this relationship is quite old, 8 years, 6 years, 10 years, maybe 15, 20 years, or maybe 3, 4 years, or maybe it is very deep. Even if it is 1 month old, it is a very deep connection. But I feel you both have worked very hard on yourself. Your twin flame and you, and they are a king now and you are a queen now. It is amazing. It is amazing. I feel, friends, your twin flame may be focusing on their work, their career. They are trying to become a better person for you, and meanwhile in the month of May you will also be focusing on your career, your goals, your achievements. You are not giving any thought to your twin flame, but oh mama, that's gonna attract your twin flame. When they see you loving yourself in the month of May, your twin flame just feels so attracted. Your value increases. Your twin flame is going to come right after you because you are not chasing them. Now, I feel, friends, you are focusing on yourself, especially in the month of May. Even if right now you are focusing on your twin flame, in the month of May, you are going to focus on yourself, your coin, your career, your self love, your dressing, anything but them. And that is going to trigger a balance in this situation, and this is going to turn the situation, and they are going to come running into your life with this offer of passionate offer of love. This person, your twin flame, is super attracted towards you. I feel both of you could be same age or like very less age gap, but some of you could have some age gap with this person. It could also be a same sex relationship also. I feel there is this issue that you don't trust your twin flame or they don't trust you because of the passions. The passions in this connection are super high, and sometimes the love get lost. So there is a need to balance this relationship in some way because you both are like this king and queen. You are both very strong. You are an equal match for each other. You are working hard. You see, you are this beautiful person, man or a woman, our viewers, and here is this your twin flame watching you like, oh my god, this is such a bold sassy girl or a man, handsome man. They don't give I don't want to say bad words here. This person doesn't look at me. Look at this person's ego is really hurt. This person, you are not looking at them. This person's ego is hurt. But I feel there is a chance of justice happening. Some of you want justice to happen in this situation. Your twin flame has come in and out of your life. They could have been this is a very passionate connection. So sometimes it is very difficult to control this relationship for you, especially in the month of May. There may be a chance of a steamy gateway or some romance happening and some passions. Your twin flame may come and quickly went by again, but I think that you are going to put your gun down and like, I want justice in this connection. I want justice to happen. It is going to happen, darling. It is going to happen for you in the month of May 2020. Angels are trying to balance this relationship for you. They are working very hard. You need to balance the give and take in this relationship, the emotional and physical connection. This needs to be balanced, and your twin flame is obsessed about you. They just cannot get you out of your head, out of this relationship or out. They are obsessed about you. They constantly think about you and they want to come back, and definitely I think destiny is going to bring them back. And there has been, I do feel, there is a lot of love in this connection, but the passions in this connection are driving this relationship, especially, or ego is driving this relationship. So in the month of May, you can expect some balance to happen, some karmic justice to happen in this relationship. If your twin flame has hurted you, I feel they are going to get their ego hurt, because you are going to attract a new partner, an Aries, Leo, Sagittarius person into your life, and they are going to boom what just happened. So yeah, the lot is happening in your twin flame relationship. There is third chakra, Archangel Samuel. So yeah, solar plexus, they, ego issues, power struggles. I think you both need to balance and communicate and give emotionally to each other. And I think it is your twin flame that needs to do that more than you. And definitely you can call upon Archangel Samuel to help you with this connection, and you are going to superbly enjoy this relationship because no one is hurting. I think your twin flame is gonna feel their ego is gonna hurt. You may get pregnant or marry someone else like an Aries, Leo, Sagittarius person, and your twin flame is like, boom, what just happened? Or maybe you feel your twin flame has married someone else and you feel, what happened, where is my justice? Don't worry, darling, there is another king or a queen for you, and they are waiting for you. Where is it? Here, they are waiting for you. They are waiting. Here are three kings. Here there are two kings and one queen. So don't worry, if your twin flame has ditched you or done you something wrong, there will be justice happening in the month of May for you, and someone is going to really think what they have done and why they have done, and expect a passionate connection to happen in this relationship. Let's see your charms for pile number 2 for the month of May. Ooh. Let's see. Canada. So maybe this person or your twin flame or you are from Canada, Europe. Maybe Europe is important for both of you, or you are from Europe. Hot, hot, hot. I told you the passionate connection in this. Passions are running high in the month of May. Friends forever. Your twin flame wants to keep you in their life no matter what, whether they are single, coupled, or whether you are whatever your situation is. They want to be your friend, kind, very kind. I think your twin flame really values your kindness and friendship you have shown. You have different backgrounds, and if you don't know your twin flame, they could be from Canada, Europe, and from a different background. I told you a new person is also coming. I told you a new person is coming for you, not just your twin flame. A soulmate relationship is coming for you or for your soul, twin flame. I miss you. I definitely feel your twin flame, you are going to get a new person, and your twin flame is, oh my god, your twin flame charm is here. So definitely twin flame, soulmate, and a new person is coming for you. May is a big month. Tell me, come after May and tell me what happened, friends. Travels a lot. You or this person is going to travel or talk a lot. I feel like traveling in the back and forth communications, also dreams coming true. Someone wants to say they are sorry. Friends with benefit. Ooh, your twin flame may want to be friends with benefit for you, and I don't think so. You should keep your self-respect, girls and boys. You should keep your self-respect. I don't think so. You are going to hurt their ego. Jealousy, yeah, they don't want to lose you. Forgive me. I want to marry you. Oh my god. I told you this person secretly will try and message you like, oh, how nice it would be if I have married you, this and that. That's it for now, friends. Please do subscribe, like, and share our channel. Let me know if this reading resonated with you. If you want to buy a personal reading, check our website www.magicwenstarot.com, friends. Let's see, for those who chose option number pile, this beautiful seahorse. Look at this. It is so gorgeous, the Prince of Autumn. Trustworthy, dedicated, protective, and funny. And look how grumpy it is looking. This seahorse is kind of curious. They are kind of grumpy also. I don't know. Let's see. Let's see your cards, how your twin flame relationship will be in the month of May. Oh, 6 of Cups, 3 of Cups, wonderful. Chariot, the 2 of Cups, ooh, amazing, beautiful. The King of Wands, the Ace of Swords, the Wheel. Ooh, my God, this is amazing. This is getting exciting now. Action, Archangel Raphael. Oh my god, friends, I have never seen cards so beautiful come out in a twin flame relationship, all of it together, friends. So I definitely see some positive news will come to you in the month of May regarding your twin flame connection. Some celebrations are definitely going to come your way. Maybe it is your twin flame's birthday or your birthday, or some anniversary is going to come your way, and or you are going to, meet and talk or connect, or they share some happy moments with your twin flame. I definitely feel that your twin flame and you also share a very strong soulmate connection, or a very innocent and loving connection. Your twin flame is very protective, nurturing, and kind towards you. I also feel like your twin flame is awakening, and they have awakened, and they know and understand right now what this relationship or what this connection means to them or to you, and they want to marry you and offer you this beautiful two of cups of love. I feel there is a lot of age gap between you and your twin flame. It could be 4 years, 5 years, 3 years. I feel more than that also for some of you, and this is an old connection where you both have known each other since a long time. Maybe you were first friends with your twin flame, and then you went into relationship, and it was beautiful. And I feel in the month of May your twin flame is going to come towards you with a new sense of purpose, and with a new sense of direction. I feel your twin flame has not been you have not been in contact or on and off contact with this person, but I feel most of you have not been in contact, but a breakthrough is going to come. Something is going to cut and break through, or bring communication towards you. I feel this is a very strong and very awakened twin flame connection. Your twin flame, they are quite open to love. They are quite open to relationships. They could be an Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. You both could be Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, or they could be a Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, or you both could be Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus. I also feel a lot of Scorpio, Cancer, Pisces vibes. So maybe you both have a lot of water energy. You both are quite similar in many ways. And I feel your twin flame is going to get some signs or messages or an awakening, or your relationship is if you don't know your twin flame, there is a strong chance they are one of your friends, or you are going to meet them through friends or family, or they were with you in your college or school or somewhere, in a hobby class or somewhere. I feel your twin flame is going to come towards you and charge towards you with new clarity, with new sense of purpose. And they are gaining their confidence. They have been building their confidence, and trying to heal themselves. And also I feel like there is a lot of love in this connection, and support and care for each other. And the wheel of fortune is also here, number 10. So maybe number 10, 13, 3, 11, 12, 23, 24, 28, 29 are important for you as birth dates or something. I feel reindeer. So I feel, this relationship is changing into a positive energy to in the month of May, and some sort of a happy news or celebration is going to come for you, whether related to your twin flame or to you, or some sort of a, something is going to happen which is good. Expect a sudden positive change in your life. You can now move forward and make rapid progress. So yeah, definitely. And someone is going to take action towards you, number 17, either you or this person. I feel if you both are living in different cities or countries, your twin flame may want to bridge that gap in the future, or they want to make move in with you, or they desire, or they will share that desire. If the lockdown doesn't open, they will share the desire that they want to move in. If they could travel, they would travel towards you, or they would FaceTime you and tell you that they want to be with you. So a lot of healing will happen in the month of May. You and your twin flame are going to come closer. Archangel Raphael is here. A lot of heart healing is happening. Look how many green cards, 1, 2, 3, 4. There is a lot of green in all the cards, and look at this whole tree. This is also green. There's a lot of healing happening in this connection. And even if you do not hear any talks or messages from your twin flame, I definitely feel your connection is moving. And if not in this month, then in the coming months there will be a positive growth, or a message, or something positive happening, in developments happening in this relationship. I feel there may have been some third party situations like common friends or family affecting this relationship, but I think your connection is so strong that nothing or no one can actually affect your relationship. And if some third party were affecting this relationship, I think your twin flame is going to get that clarity that what is happening. If there was, I feel there is someone gossiping to your twin flame about you, or like why they shouldn't be in this connection, like it is a forbidden thing, maybe because of your difference of culture or age or same sex relationship. Someone is telling them not to go this way, not to do this. But I feel your person, your twin flame, will gain some clarity and courage in this situation, and they are going to see you as their soulmate. They are going to offer you this two of cups of love. Some positive movement is going to happen, and I feel this has been long due. Let's see your messages for pile number 3, angels for twin flames. What is the message? Let's see. Wow, you got some alphabets R, L, and I. So maybe like, I don't know, Ria, or maybe you could be any name, Robin. They could be in their surname or in their name itself, RIL. Let's see, past life connection. So definitely you both have known each other from a past life, and there is strong love and affection. Anxiety, I definitely feel your person is, twin flame is very anxious to come towards you, and they really worry about losing you, or you are having sleepless nights. And how this connection will work out, it will, because there is going to happen a positive change. Letters, yeah, someone, if they can't visit you, they are going to write you a letter. What else? Karmic situation. Definitely, I feel someone else is gossiping or affecting this relationship. It could be family members, ex, or maybe someone's past lover, or someone is affecting yours or their your twin flames. E is also important, like Emily or something. Eye candy. I feel you or your twin flame is extremely popular, beautiful, and you may kind of feel jealous. I feel you are very popular, our viewers, and your twin flame is jealous about it. Like how many people know you, already met your lover, so you have already met your twin flame. A reunion is destined to happen in May. What else is here? Telepathic union. If you both, I told you, if you both, I feel 90% of you are going to hear a message, or some sort of a dream or something will going to come towards you. If not in May, then it will happen later in the month. Ex-lover, this person could have been an ex of yours. Soulmate also, you, I told you, there is a very strong soulmate twin flame vibe. Doctor, nurse, or a Reiki healer. So maybe you are a doctor, nurse, or a healer, or this person is. Your twin flame is a quiet person, or you are a quiet person, and one of you is a spiritual. So there is this team or connection of a quiet person and a spiritual person. And family lovers, so yeah, you both love family, or maybe you know each other's family. That's it for you now, friends. Please do subscribe, like, and share our channel. Did this reading resonated with you? Please let me know in the comment section. I love hearing your comments, and when I post the readings, I'm usually online, so you can comment and I will try to reply back to you. So yes, for 1 hour or half an hour, I'm always there trying to reply back. So yes, do subscribe, like, and share. If you want to buy a personal reading, visit our website www.magicvenustarot.com, or Instagram as Magic Venus Tarot. This is Mystic C saying bye for now.